In this video tutorial, we will continue with the style settings for the vertical write-only layout with Elementor Timeline Widget Pro plugin. So let's continue with the video tutorial. Next, under description settings, we can change the color of the description text here. Here we can add a background color for the description text. Next, we can change the typography of the description text here. We can select and change the font family. With the slider option, we can choose to increase or decrease the description text font size here. Next, we can change the weight of the font. Other font settings like uppercase or lowercase or capitalized can be changed here. Next, we can change the font style here from the options. If needed, we can select underline or strike through the description with these options. We can increase or decrease the line height in between each lines in the description text here. Here, we can add or reduce the spacing between each letter and text content. And with word spacing, we can increase or reduce the space between each word and the text content. Next, we can add padding for the description text here. Again, we can increase the gap under the description content below. Under Image Media Settings, we can increase or decrease the width of the image or media element. We can also increase or decrease the height of the image or media here. We can align the image media content. And we can add padding around the image media here. And here, we can add margin around the image media. We can add border to the image with these options. We can select a border type here. Here, we can select the color for the border. We can change border width that's suitable for the content. We can add a shadow to the content box here. We can select and edit any of these settings like horizontal or vertical border shadow. Blur and spread effect for the shadow box can be added here. Finally, the button Read More settings. We can add background color for the button here. The button text color can be edited and changed here. Next, we can align the button that is suitable to the timeline content. We can add the button width with the button width slider options. And again, we can also add button height with slider. We can add margins to the button here. And again, we can also add padding to the button if needed here. With this, we have completed the video tutorial for the vertical write-only layout with Elementor Timeline Widget Pro plugin. In the next video tutorial, you can see how to set up the horizontal timeline layout with Elementor Timeline Add-on Widget Pro plugin.